Karen from iPad Lettering, and in this video you will learn how to install Procreate brushes and templates onto your iPad. Unfortunately, there's not one super easy way to do this. There's actually quite a few different ways on how you can accomplish this. But the one I'm showing you here is by far the easiest, I think. So hopefully it shouldn't be too hard if you follow the 5 steps I'm about to show you. Let's have a look at the list of things you'll need to do. The first thing you want to do is download an app that you can use to extract zip files. I personally really like the Zipped app. You can get it from the App Store for 99 cents, and even though it's not free, it makes your life so much easier. Make sure you install the app before you attempt to download the files. And then the second step is to download your Procreate files. The third step is to use the Zipped app to save and extract the files at the same time. And then we are dragging the files into Procreate, and then we can start practicing. Alright, now that we've seen all the steps that we need to accomplish before we can start, let's see what this looks like in practice. When you order something from my website, I highly recommend that you create a user account, because that way you will not lose your files and you can easily access them in the order history of your account. Now let's have a look and see what this looks like. When you get a confirmation email and you tap on download files, you get redirected to this page here where you can see the purchased item right here on your screen, and you'll see that they have the download file right there. So what you do is you tap on that file, which now downloads it and then presents you with a screen to save the file to your iPad. Now, depending on the size of this file, this can actually take quite a while, and you can see here that I'm just gonna have to wait. And you see here there's a little progress bar here at the top, and now it has finished downloading, and I can see, yep, I've got my canvas brush set.zip, and I have two options: either open it in zipped or more. If you don't see open in zipped, you tap on the more button here and then tap copy to zipped, and now the Zipped app pops up, and then you select save file. And now you can select where you want to save this file to. Now, I strongly recommend that you save it to your iCloud drive, because it'll make it really easy to drag it into Procreate later. So tap on iCloud drive, and then what I do normally, I select the downloads folder that I've created and then add. And now the files are getting unzipped and then saved into the downloads folder. Another benefit of doing this is that you also have a stored copy of your brushes. So in case you lose them or anything happens to your iPad, because they're stored in iCloud, that's an automatic backup for your files. Alright, so now let's open up Procreate and then see how we can import the brushes. I recommend that you bring up the Files Explorer on the right hand side of the screen. So you drag up from the bottom to bring up the dock. Sometimes it takes a little while to do that. So you bring that up, and then this is the Files app, and we'll drag it to the side here. If you don't have the Files app in the dock, you can drag it from your home screen and just drag it into the dock, so make sure you do that. Now I'm in the downloads folder, and here are my canvas brushes. So I tap on those. Tap again, and you can see that the set consists of two files. One is the template and the other one is the actual brushes, and this is actually a brush set. So what that means is it's a collection of brushes in one set. So moving the template across, you just grab it, drag it across, and then import it like that. And now with the brush set, what you want to do there is you want to open the template first, and then open the brushes, and here are all my brush sets, and then you want to drag the brush set into the list of brush sets here, and now I have all my brushes in there like this. So now let's have a look how we can import individual brushes. Let's go back to our downloads folder, and let's see, I've got the Keep Lettering set in here as well, which consists of 5 individual brushes. So what we want to do here is we want to select and then select all. So this selects all the brushes. And then once again we'll open our brush library. So what you can do, you can either just drag all the brushes into here and then it'll add it to your previously selected brush set, or what I recommend is you create a new brush set first and call this one Keep Lettering. Alright, and then you can drag the brushes from here into there. And so now they will get downloaded in case they haven't been downloaded yet, and then imported into Procreate like that. So this is really super simple, especially if you have a lot of brushes that you would like to import at the same time. This is definitely the fastest way of doing this. And that's all you have to do. It's really that simple. So I really recommend that you use Zipped app, iCloud, and then drag and drop the brushes and the templates into Procreate. Hopefully this was helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more iPad lettering tips, and I'll see you in the next video.